Unfortunately, dealing with hair loss, alopecia, thin edges, or thinning edges could be very devastating. It is very hard to figure out what kind of hairstyle you can use, what's healthy for your hair, what will help grow your hair back. But I'm telling you, ladies, there is help and you do not have to struggle. There are many beautiful styles that you can still wear, even with thin edges, even with hair loss, even with no edges or alopecia. And your hair too can look beautiful. You can wear crochet braids just like this, and no one will ever know that you had any hair loss. So I'm going to jump into this video and show you exactly how I accomplished this style for my client. As you can see here, I did give her a healthy braid pattern because her edges are very thin. I braided those edges going down. And I'm going to show you how I did the invisible illusion hairline for her. I took the passion twist because that's the crochet she's going to get. I took a piece of her natural hair and I put the passion twist on the crochet latch, and then I slid it on her natural hair. As you can see right here, this passion twist or this crochet braid is going to be very versatile. She's going to be able to wear it down to the right side, the left side, pull it to the front or to the back. And that's what you want, ladies. You want your hairstyles to be versatile. You want to be able to wear them in multiple styles. So after that, I got a piece of braiding hair because I want to make sure that her hair is supported as much as possible. I do not want to just braid on her natural hair because her natural hair is already thin. So I added a piece of braiding hair, and then I'm braiding that into her natural hair to create a braid to make that crochet passion twist stable and secure. That passion twist is not going anywhere once this braid is completed. It is stuck, it's stable, it's safe, it's comfortable, and she does not have to worry about it coming off, slipping off, or damaging her hair at all. So this is what you want to do, ladies. Look at that. It's a nice tight passion twist, and it will not cause any hair damage. As you can see for her edges right there, I added an extra braid to go on the side to give her that full coverage on her edges that she wants. I also added a net because adding a net will help support and protect your natural hair, and that's what we want to do, ladies. We want to wear protective styles that protect our natural hair. And I also use the crochet net or the crochet cap to actually crochet on. So as you can see here, I am only crocheting on the cap or the net. I'm not crocheting on her natural hair, meaning those braids that you see. I am not crocheting on them, just on that net. And it's going to still be secure. These crochet braids will not go anywhere. And that's another thing that we want to do. We want to protect our natural hair as much as possible. So sewing on that crocheting on that net is going to be absolutely important to not put as much weight, tension, and pulling on her natural hair as possible. Because again, we want to promote hair growth and not hair loss. So again, as you can see here, I just crocheted only on the net. And it looks like I zoomed in too far, so now you can't see that it's only hanging on the net. Oh, there we go. So again, you can see here it's only on the net and not on her natural hair. And that's going to be just fine. It's not going to pull on her natural hair. Again, it's going to reduce as much weight, pulling, and tension on her natural hair as possible. And voila, this is the end results. This is nice and full. Look at those edges. She's not going to have to worry about, if anybody is wondering why her edges are out. They are completely covered. Again, she's going to be able to wear this as a left side part, a right side part. She's going to be able to pull the front to the back if she'd like, so that it's not hanging in her face. And again, it is nice and full. These are passion twists. The color is 1B burgundy. This is 14 inches long, and we used 7 packs. We use 7 packs of hair, and again, you can see here where she can be able to wear it to the back, or she can wear that part on the opposite side if she chooses. It was just on the right side, and now this one is on the left side. So again, ladies, this is how you create a crochet braid pattern that's healthy. This crochet style is safe. If you haven't tried it, try